most famous tourist destination across Kerala, India. It is located in Chalakudi, a small town which is approximately 60 km away from Thrissur and 70 km to the northeast of Kochi city. How to reach this beautiful location is here. If you are coming from Chalakudi, can take the Athirappilly route starting from Anamala Junction, Chalakudi, and pass through Kanyarappilly Vettilapara junctions. If you are coming from Cochin, can take a shortcut from Angamali, and this road will pass through Mookannur, Edattumukam and connect to Athirappilly Waterfalls route. Athirappilly Waterfalls is situated 1000 feet above sea level on the Chalakudi river. And you know, the waterfalls is approximately 80 feet in height. See how beautifully it is falling down. Athirappilly is famous for its beautiful scenery with one of the highest waterfalls, forest and thick greenery. Here you can see the waterfalls are surrounded by thick, dense forest. This is one of the best places for nature lovers, wildlife photographers and the travelers. Wow! You can see the forests of Athirappilly are extremely dense with different trees, plants, and obviously the place is very good for mind relaxation. One who visited the Athirappilly waterfalls traveled through the jungle road will never ever forget in his lifetime. Athirappilly became the location for some of the famous films in Bollywood, Collywood like Dil Se, Iruvar, Ravan and the latest Bahubali. The Athirappilly waterfalls were also filmed in some of the movie songs like Naramugaye Naramugaye, Jiya Chale, Antil Muttamittal, Aire Aire. Places which are near to Athirappilly location are Vadachal, Tumburmudi Dam, Butterfly Garden, water theme parks and so on. So the nearest transportation facility from Athirappilly are given here. There is one KSRTC bus stand, one railway station, one international airport and one metro station are nearby. And you can see some more snaps and more videos which I had taken during my visit to Athirappilly waterfalls. Let's enjoy!